Banks need to know at all times what their customers are doing. And how do they do that? It's a complex process. It's not a linear process. It's convoluted and it can take a lot of time. Some onboarding takes 90 days, some onboarding takes 120 days. KYC, it's not just name and address, but it's who the company's directors are, who the company's shareholders are, who their authorized signatories are, all the other companies that they're connected with.
Things change for a client. The client may look great on paper when they come in through the door, but then their transaction profile changes.
For a review just to be done in a point of time, you're just collecting information at that point in time. Now, it's naive to think that the next time a review comes around in 1, 3, or 5 years that nothing has changed. Things change like that, laser fast. And we want to be aware of those changes because they impact our business.
A dynamic approach to KYC.
A risk-based approach to KYC.
That is a challenge for the industry.
How do we enable banks to know at all times the risk profile of their customers?
Banks are looking for the path forward into what's called Perpetual KYC.
Perpetual KYC is about having a framework in place that is powered by a technological solution.
The reviews are constantly updated based on changes to the customer dynamic.
At WorkFusion, we're putting together a blueprint for helping banks move to Perpetual KYC. And the way to do that is digital workers. Digital workers, being your first line of defense, can handle that information overload.
Bringing in the different risk aspects of a customer.
Handle all of these myriad of data points that come in and make sense of them. Analyze the risk, whether it's material, whether it's non-material, and then they feed that to the bank.
It allows for a dynamic, constant review of the files.
We understand that people are dynamic, businesses are dynamic, the way they interact is dynamic. With Perpetual KYC, you can divert resources to be better allocated, to operate more efficiently, to onboard more customers. The movement towards Perpetual KYC will move KYC from being a cost center to the holy grail of being a revenue generation center. When we get there, when we get that movement, people will start to understand the real value of knowing your customers.